M. Boitison, our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Imelda L. Lucas, our Barangay Chairman, Ireneo Aala Jr., esteemed teachers, parents, guests, and my fellow graduates. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Today is one of the happiest days of our lives as students. This is the day we have all been waiting for, our graduation day. But before we move forward to our next steps, we would like to take a moment to express our gratitude to the people who have been part of our journey. First and foremost, to our parents, we can't thank you enough. You have been our light and guide every step of the way. Sa inyo pong di matitinag na suporta, pagmamahal, at mga sakripisyo, kami ay nahubog at naging matatag sa bawat pagsubok. Sa tuwing gabing abala sa pag-aaral, bawat proyektong pinaghirapan at bawat hamong inaharap, nariyan po kayo upang gabayan at suportahan kami. Lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at pagtitiwala. To our teachers, we are forever grateful. You have been our second parents. Inside the classrooms, you taught us not only lessons from the books, but also life lessons. You shaped our minds and hearts to be ready for the challenges of the future. Sa bawat pagtuturo po ninyo na puno ng dedikasyon at pagmamahal, ang aming mga pangarap ay lumipad at nagbunga ng tagumpay. Binuksan po ninyo ang aming mga mata sa katotohanan ng ang edukasyon ay hindi lamang puro numero at grado, kundi ang proseso ng paghuhubog ng aming pagkatao at pagpapalago ng aming mga kakayahan. Isang malaking pasasalamat po sa inyo sa lahat ng inyong mga ginawa. To our school administration led by our beloved school principal, Dr. Boitison, thank you for providing us with a safe and nurturing environment. Your efforts in maintaining the quality of our education and ensuring that we have the best resources have greatly contributed to our success. Sa inyo pong mahusay na pamumuno at dedikasyon, ang aming paglalakbay sa pag-aaral ay parang isang masarap na paglalayag sa dagat. Ang bawat alon ng kaalaman at bawat patak ng inspirasyon na mula sa inyo ay nagbigay kulay at saya sa aming pag-unlad. Maraming salamat po. To our school support staff, thank you for all the behind-the-scenes work that you do. From keeping our school clean to making sure everything runs smoothly. Your hard work is often unnoticed, but it is deeply appreciated. To our honored guests, thank you for joining us and being part of our special day. Ang inyong pong pagdalo ay nagbigay ng kahalagahan at kasiyahan sa pagdiriwang na ito. Ito ay nagpapaalala sa amin na ang aming mga tagumpay ay hindi lamang para sa amin, kundi para sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta at nagtiwala sa amin. Salamat po sa inyong presensya upang masaksihan ang isa sa pinakamahalagang yugto ng aming buhay kasama kayo. To our Barangay Local Government Unit led by Barangay Captain Ireneo Aala Jr., we would like to express their gratitude for their support and commitment in all school activities. Maraming salamat sa inyong dedikasyon at pagmamahal sa aming paaralan. Higit sa lahat, sa Batang Donoseñas. Mabuhay po kayo. To my fellow graduates, thank you for every memory. Our shared laughter, tears, and collective efforts strengthened our bond. Each of us has our own story of hard work and success. And today, we celebrate the fruits of our labors together. Our friendships and togetherness will always remind us of the beautiful memories of our school years. We've supported each other through tough exams, challenging projects, and personal struggles. And today, we stand together, proud of what we achieved and excited for what lies ahead. Finally, let's thank God for all the blessings and guidance He has bestowed upon us. In times of doubt and difficulty, it was His strength that kept us moving forward. Let us trust Him with our future steps and dreams, knowing that with faith everything is possible. My fellow graduates, we are just at the beginning of our dreams. Let us not stop striving, continue to show our abilities, and face every challenge with courage and self-confidence. As we leave this institution, let us carry with us the values and lessons we have learned. Let us be agents of positive change in our communities and continue to pursue our dreams with passion and determination. Once again, a heartfelt thank you to all of you. Congratulations to all of us on our graduation. May our futures be bright and filled with endless possibilities. Thank you very much.